Hello everyone. Today we'll be going on solving a problem from Educational Codeforces round 149 rated for division 2 best binary string. So let's see what the problem is telling us. So basically what the problem is telling us that it has been given a string. We have been given a string S consisting of characters 0, 1 and question mark. Let's call it a pattern. So we have to replace each character question mark with either 0 or 1. The choice is independent so that the string can become equal. So they have defined the cost of the binary string as a minimum number of operations of the form reverse and arbitrary contiguous substring of the string required to sort the string in the non-decreasing order. We have to find a binary string with a minimum possible cost among those that match the given pattern. If there are multiple answers, we have to print any of them. So basically what the problem is telling us that they have given a string S that consists of 0, 1 and question mark. We have to replace each character question mark with either 0 or 1 so that the string can become equal. So we have to find out the minimum possible we have to find out the string with the minimum possible cost. So let's see what the input they will give us. The first line contains an integer t, the number of test cases, and the second each line of the test cases contain a string s, which consists of characters either 0, 1 and question mark. So we have to output binary string with the minimum possible cost among those that match the given pattern. So if there are multiple answers, we have to print any of them. So let's go to the code and code it out, and I will explain the how it is happening in the code only. So let's go to the coding section. So let's code it out. Include bits slash stdc plus plus h using namespace std int main int t, the number of test cases, and this is the t. So while t minus minus, first of all what we have to take is, let's see, we have to take a single string s consisting of 0, 1 or question mark. Okay, string s seen s, and then we can replace each character question mark with either 0 or 1. So first of all what we will do, we will initialize a single character with 0. Okay, and we will run a for loop from int I equals to 0, I less than the size of the string s dot size I plus plus. What we will do, if s of I is equals to 0 or s of I equals to 1, what we will do is we will store the characters the a's value as s of I. Okay, that is for arbitrary choosing. And if it is, else if s of I is equal to question mark, what we will do, we will replace the question mark, that is s of I, equals to the character in a, that is si equals to a. And finally what we will do is cout s and end l. So it was very easy. Let's then what we'll do is return 0. Okay, so let's take an input. Let's run it. 0 0 0 1 no 1 0 1 0 0. So let's see, 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, so let's download the code and see if it is working or not. Okay, let's submit it. Let's refresh it here. It's accepted. And if someone has not understood, let us try run the code. Okay, see, for example, if you take this example question mark 0 1 question mark, if you take this example, what is happening, let's find out. So this is our input, right? So first what we are doing is we are taking a's value as 0. Okay, so first is a question mark. So what we will do for question mark, See, si equals to question mark. We are storing the question, replacing the question mark with the s value. So first value will be 0. Again, there is nothing to store question. That is a question mark. The s value is still 0. So it will be 0. Okay. Now there is a 0. That is si equals to 0 or si equals to 1. What we will do? We will store the s value as 0 now. And what we will do? Store the age value as 0, but the number will be the same here. So there is again 1, and again now the age values will be 1. Okay, and finally there is question mark again. Now we have to replace the string value with a, and in a it is 1, so it will be replaced by 1. So if you can see 0011 00011, so this is the output and the dry run. So this is the program. So if anyone hasn't understood it, go through the program once. It is very easy. Just what you have to do is, we are taking the character, we are taking a single character a equals to 0, or you can take 1 also, but especially it's 0. So we are iterating the loop, and if the current character is either 0 or 1, what we will do is storing that character in a, and if it is a question mark, what we will do is replacing the question mark with that current character, and finally we are in outputting the string s. So this is the problem. I hope you understand this problem. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.